Alright, for everybody that thinks I'm discriminating against Ford, I also have to fix a GM product. Bad fuel pump. Alright, gotta work on a piece of junk. Won't start, I think it's a fuel pump. Alright, I got it hooked to the, on the relays, there's 3 of them, I got it in the middle one. When you crack it, you get half a volt basically. I gotta figure out which fuse it might be. Yay, I don't have an owner's manual. Luckily I was able to find a fuse box panel layout online, printed off, so it should make things easier. Running some tests with a multimeter, I was getting the correct voltage it looked like. When I come inside, and I found one burnout fuse with a cigarette lighter, and there's a wire going to it. And that's the only thing I've done different is I pulled that out and now it runs. The only other thing it does wrong is when you try to punch it clear to the floor, it'll backfire kind of. Like I said, the only thing I pulled out was a wire. I'm going to show you that. Right up in there, there was a wire running to a fuse, just hanging. I've pulled it off altogether. It's over here now. This red wire that's bare. I don't think it had anything to do with it, but I don't know. Maybe somehow the computer got reset. Why is dumb voltage checks? I don't know. All I know is it runs now. Piece of crap. Ford. Built Ford rough. I mean tough.